Yo guys, welcome back. 这里是我们的this is our responsive web design game. Wait, certification. Certification, all kinds of certifications. I love certification. The HTML forms by building a registration form. 46. Give the field set elements a bit of separation. Select them and give them a border bottom and a 3-pixel solid. To give the field set, bottom. We're going to give the border bottom of give them a border bottom of 3-pixel solid. 3-pixel solid, and this is called what? Not HUE. Not Q, not RGB. What was it called? I forgot. Sorry. Sharp things. What happened? What changed? What changed? Oh, congratulations, your code passes. Submit your code to continue. Field set. Yeah, let's do this. Oh, HBS or HSB, hue, saturation, and brightness. HSB, I remember, but what is it? What is that? I forgot what is it called. Oh, that's called hex, HEX. Yeah, that's called HEX. The border of the last field element looks a little out of space. You can select the last element of a specific type. Using the last of type CSS pseudo class. CSS. Oh, there is a CSS pseudo class. Oh, I heard it for the first time. Cool. You can select these things like this. That will select the last P element and create a new selector that targets the last field set element and set its border bottom to none. That's cool, my friend. It's pseudo class. Fake. Pseudo means fake. P. That's lots of type. Lots of type. No, that's crazy. That is the border bottom. Yeah, it's like no. Oh, is this Chinese? No. That should not be Chinese. Wait, what? This is not Chinese. Chinese punctuation. What happened? Why the system is throwing me an error? Throwing me an error. Lots of type. You can use the lots of type pseudo class to select only the last element of a certain type. To select only the last element of a certain type. What certain type? Why? It's not P, it's the field set, I guess. Wait, what? No. Not colon. What the hell is it? What what the hell, you know? What the hell? It's like bullshit. Like bullshit. It's like bullshit. Yeah, bullshit. Yeah, it's like bullshit. It's like bullshit. 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 You can use this. Sorry, I don't know. We're going to have a look at those things. Wait, what? Oh, field set. Wait, what? IELD field set. What? What happened? What is wrong? FIELD set. Wait, what? Isn't it English? It really is English, but what? Wait, what? How on earth did it happen? Punctuation? Was it really? Yeah, you look at this there. Perhaps a little bit not, last of time. No space? Oh, there's no space! Oh, god damn it. No, no space. Remember, no space. Wait, what? What is the correct thing to do CSS in? To make remarks on CSS. No space. No space. No space. No space. No space. The right space. Field set. Okay, okay. That should work. Pretty much works. It would be nicer to have the label text appear above the form elements. Select all input text area and select elements, and make them take up the full width of their parent elements. Also, add 10 pixels of margin to the top of the selected element. Set the other margins to 0. It would be nicer to have the label text appear above the form elements. Set all input text area and select elements and make them take up the full width of their parent elements. All input text area and select elements and make them take up the full width of their parent elements. Also add 10 pixels of margin to the top of the selected elements and set the other margin to 0. Label text appear above the form element. Set all these things and make them take up the full width label. Select all input text areas. Oh wow. Comma text area, comma select elements and make them take up the full width of their parent element. I forgot what. Oh. Line by lots of type. Is that called lots of type? Margin auto. I don't know. Is that wait? Full width of their parent element. What is it? What is it then? Make them take up the full width of their parent element. With 100%. With 100%. And one thing that's with what? That's cool. Wow, enter your first name. For one thing that's width. For another thing that's length. Is that length? I guess. Wait, what? Yeah, better not write it down. Margin top 10 pixel. Margin bottom. Oh, top of selected, set other margins to. 是不是有一种 margin？ 我不知道 margin 写在 CSS 里这些是同时执行还是覆盖？好像是同时执行吧。那要是不是同时执行，我直接写个 margin 一块儿。margin what？ margin bottom set to 0. Margin left set to 0. Margin right set to 0. Okay. It's like, you know. Server could not be reached and your progress might not be saved. What? Ah, shit. What the hell happened? Shit. Let's continue our stupid little, is that called class or something? Oh, forget it. Anyway, let's go submit and go to the next. Oh, long way to go. What step is it? Step 47? Where are we? 49. Okay. For the second field set, you want the input and label text to appear on the same line. Start by giving the input elements in the second field set a class of inline. 我想我应该怎么办呢 ？For the 这个，然后 field set 这就是第二个吧 field set. You want the input and label text to appear on the same line? Yes, of course. Start by giving the input elements in the second field set. Start by giving the input elements in the second field set. What? You want the input and label text to appear on the same line? Start by giving in the second field set a class of inline. Give the input a class of inline. Select only the inline elements and give them width of onset. Oh, come on, select only the dot inline elements. Dot. Yes, because we created a new class called inline, and there was no inline before. That's why we need to write down this dot. Dot inline element, and give them a width of onset. This will remove the earlier rule which set all the input elements to width. Wow, that's cool. I think I need to copy and paste that. No. What is it in English? That's small entry. Is that called entry? Small entry. 词条的意思。Let's go. Let's select only the inline. Oh, they made it vertical. They made it like a column. Select only the dot inline. Oh, we finished that already. What's next? Add some space. Add some space between the dot inline elements and the label text by giving a right margin of 0.5 em. Also set all the other margin to 0. Set all the other margin to 0. Margin left, margin right, margin bottom 0, margin top, make it 0. Yeah, that's it. Pretty much solve the problem. If you look closely enough, you will notice that dot inline elements are too high on the line. To combat this, set the vertical line property to middle. To combat this, set the vertical line property to middle. The vertical line property to middle. Yeah. What if I don't write down the... Wow, cool. Wait, if I... Yeah, you see that it's actually weird, you know. They're not aligned, really. See, they drop down a little bit. That's weird. Comment this. Set to middle. Wait, what? What did he say? If you look close enough, you'll notice that inline are too high. Are too high, really? What? Oh? Wow, really? It's too low, I guess. It's too low now. Look at those. Look at those. Oh, okay. They are actually on the same line. You see this line on the bottom. What? But yeah, actually, there's another 2 pixels or 3 pixels below this business. Yeah, so happy I'm using the screen of 10,080 pixel time. No. It's actually on of the in 1920 pixel times 1080. Now what's great? To make the input and the text area elements blend in with the background theme, set their background color to 0A0A23. Then give them a 1 pixel solid border with a color of that. Yeah. Make the input and the text area elements blend in with them. Blend in with the background theme. Set their background color to this, what is that called? Text. They are public, not private. So we don't write down period, punctuation, period, punctuations. Text area, input and text area blend in with set their background color to sharp 0A0A23. And then we'll give them 1 pixel. We'll give them 1 pixel solid border. BORDR border equals 1 pixel with the color of sharp 0A0A23. Is that correct? Solid border. Oh wait. 1 pixel solid border. Oh, 1 pixel solid. That's cool. Where is it? The input. Wow. Yeah, if I don't have that, look at this. Wait, I think the former one is cubic. More cubic. Wait. Currently, if you type in the input or text area element, you will not be able to see the text. Also, their height is too small to be easy to use. Fix this by setting the color to sharp FFF. How many Fs? 6 Fs. By setting the color to, if you type in the input or text area elements, you will not be able to see the text. Also, their height is too small to be easy to use. Fix this by setting the color to this. Set their minimum height to 2 EM. What? It's like bullshit. Like BS, really BS. I hate this, it's like bullshit, my friend. Really goddamn bullshit. If you just know these things and you went to work, actually not too many, you cannot get too many jobs. Yeah, because really, a lot of people know this already. A lot of people. Yeah, this didn't make you better, but it's on your way to become better. But only know these things. Almost everybody knows these things. That didn't make you very unique. Yeah, so if you want to master it, I think for myself, there's a long way. set the color to dark up. No, it's like BS, totally BS, totally BS. What? Sorry, code does not pass. You're getting there. You're getting there. You're getting there. You're getting there. Yeah, hint. You should set minimum height to 2em. Minimum height to 2em. 2em. Minimum height to 2em. Yeah, it's like BS, you know, totally BS. Totally BS. BS. Minimum height. I forgot that. Minimum height to 3em. That's some, you know, font thing. Oh, like, yeah, I'm not making it better. Yeah, well, I'm really making it better, but you know, there are just some color thing. I'm not excel at it. I don't excel at it at all. You want the select element to remain with a white background, but now it is not getting the same minimum height as the input and the text area elements. Load the minimum height property and the value so that all three element types have the same minimum height to value, and the select element still has a white background. White background, yo. Oh, yeah, you know, that's crazy. That's crazy. One select element have a remaining background, white background. Where's the select? But now it's not getting the same minimum height as input. Remove the minimum height property and value so that all three element types have the same minimum height value, and the select element still has a white background. Where should I move it to? Three element types have the same minimum height value, and the select element still has a white background. But oh, have the same. Oh, minimum height. Where is that? Minimum width. Where's the minimum height? Font size? No. What? Where is the minimum height? There's no minimum height. Wow. Haha. Thank you, Google. Google Chrome. Ctrl+F. Move the minimum height property and the value so that all three element types have the same minimum value. Minimum height. Where should I move it to? All three value. All three element types. Three element types. Oh, three element types. Yeah, this is a three element type. What? I guess he's saying things about thinking about this one. And all three element types have the same minimum height value, and the select element still has a white background. Oh damn it! I don't know what to add now. Just add minimum height with what? 0 pixel? What? Select element still have a whiteboard. I don't know what he's talking about. Oh, minimum height 3em. What? Where did he say? Oh, I guess field set. Input text area select. Input text area select. Where the hell did I know it was 2em? 2rem. 2rem. 3em. Oh, minimum height. Ah, input. Oh no. No, 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 no. Yeah. Wait, what? Still not correct. Still not correct. Not correct. You should remove the minimum declaration from the. Okay, okay. From the selector. Okay, okay. The style. Oh, actually, that one wasn't even a problem. It's just I didn't understand it. I didn't understand the instruction. The style, I didn't find out the minimum light in 2 element pseudo function. To style the submit button, you can use an attribute selector which selects an element based on the given attribute value. Here's an example: input names equals password. The above selects the input element with the name attribute value of password. Now use the attribute selector to style the submit button with the display of block. Wow, this is cool. This style attribute selector is cool. Wait, what? What? The above selects the input elements with a name attribute. Password. Wait, what? Wait, what? Type equals submit. Oh, okay. Select the display of block and width of 60%. How do I know this thing? How? Input type equals submit. But you know, that's weird actually. Style to the it's style and to style of style the submit button. Yes, type equals submit button. It's a display of a block and with wait, what? What? Wait, what? Oh, holy! This is a pseudo function. I thought about it. And I forgot it immediately. Huh. Shit. I really thought about it, but I just, you know, it's like, yeah, it's so weird. Why the hell did I forget it later? With a display of block, the submit button still sits flush against the left edge of its parent. Use the same technique and used to center the form to center the submit button. To center the form to center the submit button. Like, yeah. Center the form, center the submit button. Same technique. Oh. Wow. This is cool. Same technique used to center the form, submit, center the submit button. Margin 0 auto. Oh, it's vertically 0 and horizontally is auto. Yeah, and I think there's more than just this. Oh, just this? Yeah, you know. To make the submit button look more in line with the rest of the form, give it the same height as the other fields. 3M. Also increase the font size to 1.1 rem. 1.1 rem. Yeah, it's like, you know. Yeah. 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 To make the submit button look more in line with the rest of the form, give it the same height as the other fields. 2em. Font size to 1.1 rem. Same height to 2em. And font size to 1.1 rem. I still don't understand the differences between YAML and one YAML. And oh shit. Oh wow. Well, what are EM and REM and why use them? EM is the CSS unit relative to the font size of the parent element. It's font size of the relative to the font size of the parent element, while REM is the CSS unit relative to the font size of an HTML element. Both of these are scalable units, meaning they give us the ability to scale elements up and down, relative to a set value. This adds more flexibility to our designs and makes our sites more responsive. Oh, cool! I love responsive websites. A key reason to use scalable units like EM and REM is accessibility. Accessibility enables all users, particularly those with disabilities, to successfully interact with a website. Using fixed units like pixel, px, 固定的 fixed means, it's like, yeah, it's stubborn. No, it means, fixed means, yeah, how to use another English word. It does not change. Fixed means does not change. Fixed units like pixel, the set of values of elements of fonts and the space sizes does not give us this accessibility, but because the fixed units do not scale. 不会这个尺寸随着尺寸变化。By using scalable units like EM and REM, M and RAM, we enable users to control the scale of sites, thereby providing us with our desired accessibility. EM versus RAM. EM and RAM are similar because they are both scalable units. Their values are always relative to the value of something else. Most notably, EM and RAM differ in the way the browser converts them to PX. That's cool. So why should EM and REM, why should two EMs exist? As mentioned before, EM values are relative to the font size of the nearest parent element, while RAM values are relative to the root font size. Oh, root element. EM root element. Root font size over the font size of HTML element, and when the root font size is not explicitly set, RAM values are relative to the browser's default font size of 16 pixels. Explicitly means clearly set. Yeah, they are clearly, very, very clearly set. Explicitly. Yeah, that's cool. This means that when the root font size is 16 pixel, a value of 1 RAM root EM would be 16 pixel times 1 equals 16 pixel, and the value of 10 EM would be 16 pixel times 10 equals 160 pixel. Oh, it's RAM. It's times your browser's HTML times your default or browser's default. Yeah. EM times EM means how many times you're to multiply the 16 pixel. 16 pixel. This was the browser's default. REM or EM means the how many times your HTML or browser default to multiply. I'll copy and paste this website. Oh wow, 10 minutes passed so fast. I need to speed up. And a border color of white. Wait, what? Background color. Oh, sorry. Background color of sharp 3B href. You know, that's so cool. What? Lastly, for the submit button, you want to separate it from the field set above and adjust its width to never be below 300 pixels. Lastly, for the submit button, you want to separate it from the field set above and adjust its width to never be below 300 pixels. That's crazy. Change the margin property to include the 1 em on the top and bottom, while leaving the right and left margin set to auto. Then set the width and as described above. Okay. Separate it from the field set above. Never be a minimum, so the minimum what? Margin or minimum what? Minimum margin. You include 1 em on the top. Margin property too. On the top and wait. 1 em on the top and bottom, while leaving the right and left margin set to auto. Okay. Wait, what? Wait. Margin what? Margin, right and left. Auto, margin left, auto, and no, set the width as described above. Set the width as described above. Margin top, 1 em. Margin bottom, 1 em. Okay. Wait, what? Yeah, that really is 1 em. But what's going to happen next? While leaving the right and left margin set to auto. Yeah. Then set the width as described above. Described what? 300 pixel minimum width. Should I add a minimum? Yeah, that's cool. Oh, I passed it. What if I just add the width, not minimum, instead of minimum width? I guess it'll throw me an error. Oh, wow, the basic is 60%, but it should not go lower than 300 pixel. Okay, let's go. Most browsers inject 注射是吗? Inject their own default CSS properties. Cool. That means we don't really need to write down CSS properties. CSS properties and values for different elements. If you look closely, you might be able to notice the file input is smaller than the other text input elements. By default, padding 就跟那个 padding is similar to margin. By default, a padding of 1 pixel, 2 pixel is given to input elements you can type in. Using another attribute selector, style the input with a type of file to be the same padding as the other input elements. So where should we start from? Using another attribute selector, cool. Attribute selector, style the input with a type of file to be the same padding as other input elements. What other input elements? No more padding now. There's only one padding. Sorry, code does not pass 10 in there. You should give the input text equals file a padding of 1 pixel, 2 pixel. What? Where's 1 pixel and 2 pixel? Okay. Come on. Oh, by default, the padding of 1 pixel, 2 pixel is given to input elements you can type in. Like, you know. Yeah, it's so still. Yeah, you know. I just missed this part. Okay, I'm going to read it again. If you look closely, you might be able to notice the file input is smaller than the other text input. Wow, if you look closely, smaller than the other text input elements. By default, the padding of 1 pixel, 2 pixel is given to input elements you can type in. You can type in, my friend. You can type in. I got to speed up, actually. I think there's only 7 minutes and we'll reach 1 hour. Speaking of padding, the submit button is sitting at the bottom of the form element. Add 2 EM of padding only to the bottom of the form. Add 2 EM of padding. 2 EM only to the bottom of the form. Oh, that's it. 2 last steps. Last but not least, to change the next. Last but not least, change the text color of the terms and the conditions link to hex df_df_e2. To hex df_df_e2. Well done, you have completed the final part of the registration form practice project. Change the text color. Change the text color of terms and conditions linked to terms where? Is that called input? Input class? Is that called type? No. That's oh wait, that may really be type. conditions will link to. Wait, sorry, I don't know how to write this. Wait, what? I thought too much, I guess. Text color of terms and service. Provided by. Oh, where's the term? Name. Label for name. Label for name. Last name. Type text. Terms and conditions, my friend. It's called terms and conditions. It's called terms and conditions. Yeah, okay, my friend. It's crazy. Huh. Weird. Wait, what? Wait, what? I forgot. Well, yeah, it's here. Type equals checkbox. I think I need to make this type. Is this correct? This is not correct at all. You should use an A element selector. Where is the A? Wait, what? 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 Where is that thing? Where is that thing? Wait. What was the question? Terms and conditions. Okay. Label for input ID. Name. I hate this. Crazy. Oh, now yeah, I've just completed the final part of the registration form practice project. Registration form practice project. You know, it's mad. You know, it's so crazy. You know, it's it's BS. You know, BS. In the text color of the terms of conditions, like so. Oh, wait, the text color. Yeah, it's class. Wait. Yeah, you know, this is the has towards the class, and I think the text color. Yeah, it's private. It's not private. It's self-defined. But you know, there's always a a bash link to wait a element. A element. Color. Oh, sorry. df e2. Oh. Wow. Wow, terms and conditions, that's cool. If I don't write that, then it'll be why it's purple. I'll forget that anyway. It's not purple, it might be yeah, I mean it might be some default. Yeah, it really is default. Yeah, I guess so. So that's all for today's video. Just 1 hour. We just hit 1 hour. Yeah, approximately. Yeah. Leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next episode. Wow, what is it? Instructions. Wow. Holy, there are so many. What? Oh, this is a certification form. Cool, I love certifications, and you know they got a lot of tests that really helps me improve my skills. Since you know, I don't really think there are too many difficulties coding HTML and CSS. It's not JavaScript anyway, not JavaScript, not a real coding language. Just markup HTML, hypertext hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. What does CSS stands for? CSS stands for cascading style sheet. Cascade means 倾泻or 大量 or a large amount of, you know, cascading style sheets. Okay, that's cool. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next episode. Subscribe. That really helps. Goodbye.